Amazon Business seemed the logical next step for our business going forward. Obviously, we've been interacting with B2C customers for a number of years on a number of platforms. And with our new brand coming through, it seemed the logical place to pitch that brand. The effect that it's had on our business going forward over the first 6 months has been tremendous. The first month sales, we got to about 30 grand, which was fantastic, more than we expected. And since then, in the next 6 months, it's gone sixfold. So that is, who could have predicted that effect at the start? And not only that, but how it's helped build our own brand and bring that forward has had a tremendous effect on us. And we want to keep going with that, really.
I would say allow yourself ample time to prepare. We had to register our brand with Intellectual Property Office, do your homework, understand what is required for setting the selling platform up. Then I think the third thing would make sure you have all the paperwork to hand. The fourth thing I'd say I think is probably true of any business really is have the resource there. I mean, the growth that we saw from launching on Amazon was so impressive, but if we hadn't had the resource in the back office to support the sales, then we would have really struggled. So make sure you're prepared. Talk to other Amazon businesses, talk to other online sellers, learn from each other, reach out to each other, use Amazon's portals and tools to kind of glean as much expertise from other organisations as you possibly can. It's really invaluable.
Amazon has a lot of business customers that they afford great terms to, and we've been able to maximise our turnover through just opening up the B2B aspect of our business. It's been fantastic. We've managed to do it successfully. The turnover is growing, we want to keep it growing, and we're in a position to benefit from that, I think. I was very surprised about the amount of turnover we get through business customers, but also things like quantity discounts and things like that, which obviously a previous experience of Amazon has never been on our radar. So when you're getting businesses asking for 20 units of this or 50 units of that, that's something which is new to us and is a nice surprise. Generally speaking, the business side of things is amazing, really. The amount of customers that we've seen come through and use us, when we're looking to build our own brand coming forward, this is all going to be great going forward.